How to make honey lime chicken and avocado salad. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine all the ingredients for the chicken marinade. Toss in the chicken thighs and marinate for at least 1 hour. In a cast iron skillets, cook chicken on high heat until there is a nice sear on the surface of the chicken, and the inside is no longer pink, roughly 4 minutes each side. Set chicken aside. Place chopped lettuce, tomatoes, red onion, and avocados in a large salad bowl. Slice cooked chicken thighs and add to the salad bowl. In a small bowl, combine all the ingredients for the dressing, mix well. Toss the salad with the dressing and serve immediately. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for honey lime chicken and avocado salad. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.